Allah Maaf Kare is special to us because we had worked on a concept and we wanted that. So everything about that concept is the background would all be very staccato, like everybody would move like robots because that was their lifestyle. And these two people are colorful and in love, and you see that everybody else is in black and white or grey, and just these two people are in color.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I think Desi Boys is a great reference point for how beautiful Oxford is as a place. Oxford is absolutely stunning. I felt like going back to college, and so did Akshay and Chitrangda while we were shooting there. Beautiful mess that has like 200 students with old architecture where Harry Potter has been shot and they used it as the mess at Hogwarts. I've shot at streets where X-Men has been shot. It was beautiful for Desi Boys now to be a part of that.
When I believe in the director, I like to give whatever he requires, because when he's happy, the product comes out really shining and happy.
Allah Maaf Kare is a big song for me because the complete song has 16 costume changes. For any standards, that's a high number of costume changes to have in one Bollywood song.
Akshay has been such a great performer that I felt that he would definitely do that move very effectively, and he did it. I think that's come across as a fantastic dance step in the song. So that's one of the highlights that we see Akshay do.
Akshay is obviously dancing a lot more than me. He's such a good dancer and he has such amazing energy on screen.
See, he still has the same energy that he had in Khiladi. When he danced to Khud Ko Kya Samajhte Hai on that college campus in Khiladi, and the way he's danced in Oxford with Chitrangda, you don't feel the man has aged at all. The energy is still the same.
The way we worked out on the concept was the background would be very monotonous and these guys would kind of just lighten up the whole thing. They're in love, and the way they kind of experience their romance, and so that's what we've tried to maintain throughout the song.
That is really me!
Just think white stone nikal de niche.
white building nikal diya.
I just think Bosco gave him some great moves which makes you see him in a new light.
Allah Maaf Kare has a concept-driven thing. It's more a concept-based song than it just being frivolous or just being all over the place. It's got a theme, and the progression has been great. So from where it starts to where it ends, I think it's been a great experience to execute this concept.
But it's a fab song. I love the song. The beats are really nice, and we shot all over London for the song, and it's come out really well.
The movies that she's done, you've never seen Chitrangda dance, but I think in this one you'll see her move, and it's good for the film.
Chitrangda is a wonderful person with a lot of love and warmth, and I'm so glad she's part of Desi Boys, her first Hindi commercial film.
I think it's come across as very interesting, and Chitrangda has also moved very well. So the whole sequence has worked out very well for us, and also Rohit has executed. He's cut it very well. So and he was very clear about how he wants it to look, because there was a lot of content that had to come across through the song. So it was fun to shoot.